Hi everybody, today in this video just wanted to show you that you can clip off your colocasia. These guys I cut them off because of the weather. It's very stormy, it's windy, and I'm afraid that it'll break the plant, like the plant will just fall off. So I decided to cut the tall part off, let them regrow. And now in just 2 days, some of them already had new leaf ready to unfurl. Some did, so no worries. You can chop off the damaged leaf, or if you want to regrow them, it is possible. You don't have to worry that the whole plant will die off. It won't. And I have moved my aloha to a bit over there because it was so big. The clump was, it grew as a clump, and it was taking all the areas in this cement tub, and I want my macrorhizos to grow and get more sunlight. And just a few days I took it off. It has gotten taller, and I hope that the white variegated part of the leaf won't get damaged anymore, since now there's no aloha shading, like shading over all the variegated leaf anymore. So the water droplet should dry off when it get hit by the sun, and it wouldn't boil the leaf and damage the white part anymore. I hope. That's what I hope. And now with my aloha, I would need to cut off this bamboo because it's shading over the plant, and it won't get any sunlight until like late in the afternoon. So that's what I have to do today. I have to chop this off, give this guy more sunlight. Now a bit more I want to show you. I guess any of you who had black magic at home would probably have this. I don't know how high the chance that it'll mutate it. You can see these are the leaf of normal black magic, which I haven't really taken care of. There's one more. Yeah. This guy has mutated, and as you can see, it's like kind of like similar to the mojito. And it's not only the difference on the leaf as well, the stem. As you can see, it's more green in color, it's not as reddish as, let's say, like this leaf is almost all black. You see that the stem is like burgundy red, while this guy is more green. Now I have like a couple of them. One, no, this is okay. This one is from the same plant. That's another one. There's one more here. I like this guy. This guy's beautiful. And a big one. Okay. Oh, there's another one. Yep. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.